In this lecture, we are going to discuss about truth tables. Truth table. How to make truth table? First is for negation. Negation. Suppose I have a statement P. It has two possible values, either true or false. So truth value, in the truth table, we will draw this one here. It is P, statement is P, then its negation denoted by P. There's two value, true, false. So true, negation of true is false and negation of false is true. This is for negation. Second one, for the conjunction. Conjunction. Okay, conjunction. Conjunction is this one. P is my one statement and it is denoted by Q. We have already discussed what is conjunction. You should go to that lecture and check it out. So here I have two sentences. So for one it is true false. For another I will get another true false. That means here that is two statement. I have two choices. Okay. If I have one more sentence PQR, then I will have true false. So in that case, for each I have two options. That means 2 to the power 3. Okay. For each I have two options. Here I have two options. Here I have two options. So in case of two sentence, I will get 2 to the power 2. That is four choices, two false value, and for 3 I will get 2 to the power 3 equal to 8 true false. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that I will get 8 true false. And I will going to consider 2. Then this is P and Q. Okay, so the way of writing this is when I have this one. So true, true, false, false. Here I will first write true, false, true, false. Okay. So true, true, true will be true. True, false will be false. False, true will be false. False, false, false will be false. This is conjunction, truth table for conjunction. If I have 8, then what will be the conjunction table? How to take this one? Then you should take P, Q, R. Okay. Then here true, 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 true. Half of 4 true, 4 false. 4 false. Okay. Then 2 true, 2 false, 2 true, 2 false. Okay. Then here we will take true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Okay. Then find out what will be this. Okay. Then again find out P and Q and okay. You should find this first. Find out the conjunction of this one. Then whatever the result you get right here. Then find conjunction of this with this one. This is your home assignment. Next, I will discuss here truth table for disjunction. Disjunction. I am writing the truth table taking only two statements, that is P and Q. So I will get 4 outcome. That is true, true, false, false. Okay. Here true, false alternatively, true, false. So disjunction is this one. You should go through the disjunction lecture. You will get it. So here truth table for this one is true, 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 false, true, false, true, true, false, false, false. Okay. And next, this is 3. Next, 4. Implication. Implication. So if I have two statements P and Q, then P has two choices, Q has two choices, that has four choices. So draw the truth table, and this is P implies. Here it is true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. Okay. Here true, 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 false, false. Remaining other false, true, true, false, false. This is the implication table. Next, we are going to discuss equivalence. Equivalence table. Equivalence table will be equivalence. So again, take two statement PQ, then equivalence will be this one. So true, true, false, false. Okay, and true, false, true, false. I write the table. True, 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 false, 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 true, false, 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 true. This is the equivalence table. We will use this table when we will solve logical precedence of logical operator. With that, I would like to conclude. Remaining will be in the next lecture. Thank you.